Have you ever looked at a woman and felt a deep desire to not just be close to her, but to make her crave you? Not just emotionally or mentally, but physically. You want her to feel the same fire that you feel. But here's the truth. Most men go about it the wrong way. They chase, they talk too much, and they try too hard. And what happens? The woman loses interest. Why? Because women don't crave men who try to impress them. They crave men who are grounded in their own power. That's what this video is about. This is Stoic Pro, and I'm going to show you how to make a woman desire you sexually, not with tricks or lines, but with pure masculine energy based on Stoic psychology. These are 5 powerful principles that make women feel sexually pulled to you, even without touching them. If you're serious about becoming that kind of man, then do one simple thing right now. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and share it with a friend who's ready to upgrade their mindset and presence. Let's begin. Phrase 1. Mystery makes her curious. Curiosity builds craving. When you give away too much of yourself too quickly, you remove the tension. And without tension, there is no attraction. Most men think that sharing everything, texting all day, and being super available will make her like them more. But it's the opposite. When she knows everything about you, there's nothing left to explore. No adventure, no mystery. Women are drawn to the unknown. That's how desire grows. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and reserved, not because we're cold, but because we're selective. When you hold parts of yourself back, when you make her wait to get to know the real you, her mind starts to play with the mystery. And when her mind plays, her body begins to respond. That's how real craving starts. In the unknown, not in the obvious. Phrase 2. Your calm voice and silence turn her on more than words. A lot of men think they need to talk a lot to impress a woman. But what most guys don't understand is that a calm voice and quiet presence are far more powerful. When you speak slowly and clearly, when you pause before answering, and when you're not afraid of silence, you create a kind of tension. That tension feels like strength to a woman. It shows that you're not nervous, not needy, and not trying to fill the space. Stoic men don't rush their words. They let silence work for them. And women feel that confidence. They lean in. They wonder what you'll say next. They become more aware of your energy, your body language, and your eyes. Speaking less and more intentionally creates a space for attraction to build. The next time you're with a woman, try it. Slow your speech. Don't always rush to respond. Let your calm energy speak for you. You'll see how she starts to focus more on you, not just with her ears, but with her body. Phrase 3. Eye contact builds the deepest sexual tension. Your eyes are more powerful than you think. Most men either avoid eye contact or look away too quickly when they're with an attractive woman. But that shows insecurity. A man grounded in himself doesn't flinch. He holds eye contact. Not in a creepy way, but with calmness and quiet strength. When you look into a woman's eyes and stay there without saying much, something magical happens. You activate her imagination. She begins to feel your energy without you even touching her. And that energy builds tension, mystery, and desire. The key is to stay calm. Breathe. Look into her eyes while she talks. Don't fidget. Don't break eye contact unless you choose to. Just your presence alone, when held with intention, can make her heart race. Phrase 4. Your discipline is the most attractive thing about you. Women are drawn to men who have control, not over others, but over themselves. If you're always chasing, always giving attention, always saying yes, you come across as weak. But when you have purpose, when your life is about more than just getting her, she feels that. and she starts to admire and desire you more. A stoic man doesn't beg. He builds, he trains, he works on his goals, he protects his energy, and that kind of discipline is magnetic. When she sees that you have boundaries, that you value your time, and that you don't throw yourself at every pretty face, she respects you, and from that respect comes desire. The truth is, women are not attracted to nice guys who give everything. They're attracted to strong men who give nothing away for free. Let her earn your time. Let her earn your body. That's when she'll start to want both. Phrase 5. If you touch her mind. First, she'll beg you to touch her body. Here's the truth that every high-value man understands. Women open their bodies only after their minds and hearts feel seen. If you can make a woman feel emotionally safe, understood, and connected, her physical desire will follow naturally. That doesn't mean you have to act soft or emotional. It means you stay calm, you ask deeper questions, and you listen with presence. You're not trying to fix her problems, you're just being there with your full attention. Most men only talk about themselves. Be the man who listens. Be the man who makes her feel unique. When you do that, she'll start to crave your touch without you even asking, because she'll associate your energy with peace and desire at the same time. Listen carefully, brother. You don't need to chase women. You don't need to trick them or try too hard. If you follow the Stoic path, if you stay calm, stay grounded, and stay in control, women will begin to feel something they can't explain. A pull, a hunger, a craving. And that craving won't come because you said the right line. It will come because you became the man who knows his value, who protects his energy, and who never begs for attention. If this message connected with you, if you want to keep learning how to master yourself and attract better women into your life, then do this right now. Tap subscribe to join the Stoic Pro Brotherhood. Click like to support this message. Comment below what point hit you the hardest. And share this with one man who needs to hear it. You don't attract women by becoming like them. You attract women by becoming more of a man of control, strength, and quiet power. This is Stoic Pro, and your evolution starts now.